Hi P4 pupils, we are back again with another example. Now, I'll just do a voiceover. Let's take a look at this question. Study the diagram below. Torches A and B were shone onto a metal can as shown. So this metal can is elevated. Elevated means lifted up. Okay, so look at the question here. Okay, I'm going to shift and show you the question. Now they asked, draw and shape the shadows cast on screens A and B in the boxes provided below. So they wanted you to show me what kind of shadow do you think you'll get on this screen when the torchlight B shines onto this metal can and you get it on the screen. And then what do you get on screen B when you shine a torchlight A downwards onto screen B? Okay, so take note, how do you get this kind of answers now? By looking at the direction. Now, let's say I want to form a shadow on screen A, okay? So I'm going to look from here, right now. I'm looking from here. The torchlight is on, and what do I see? I see the outline. Always remember, look at the outline of the object. For example, I'll show you an example, okay? Now, the handphone. Now, the handphone, can you see the outline of the object? The outline is always a line on the outside. This is called the outline. You know, when you're doing art, people say draw the outline. So this is called the outline. So if I have to cast a shadow on this phone, what kind of shape do you think you will see? You'll definitely see a rectangle. Am I right? So same thing. If I look at this metal can, where is the outline? You just go along the line, go along the line, go along the line, go along the line, and you see that, hey, I just need to draw a rectangle there, okay? So for screen A, it's going to be a rectangle based on the outline here, because you're looking from here. Looking from here means you're going to see the outline like that. And what about screen B? You're shining a torch down. So you're looking down. What do you see? You see a circle, okay? A circle. So you're going to draw a circle here. So let's come to the question, and how do we draw this? Now, let me use my drawing system, okay? Okay, we're going to add in some shapes. Okay, so for this one, it's going to be a rectangle, and I got to shade it completely black. Remember, during the exam, you need to shade it completely black. So using pencil, of course, don't use a pen, okay? Now, then what about screen B? Just now we said we're going to get a circle, right now. So we're going to draw a circle. Now, during the exam, of course, I don't need a perfect circle. But if you want to draw a perfect circle, you can use a coin. A 10-cent coins right now. A 10-cent coin would be good. Now, then I'm going to draw a circle as best as you can now. We are not expecting you to be a perfect, artist here. Then go and shade it completely black. Okay, so this would be my answer. Okay, so this will be my answer for screen A and screen B. Okay, now then we are moving on to explain part B. Explain how shadows are formed. Now, meaning they want you to explain how come this shadow is formed like that. So of course, to explain that, let me type it out, okay? Let me type out and then I'll explain. So, start by telling people light travels in straight line. Then let's take a look at what the object is. It's called a metal can, right? Not metal can. So you go on and say, the metal can is an opaque object and does not allow light to pass through. So, a dark shadow is formed. Okay, so let me read you the answer once again. I do not know whether you can see that. Let me just zoom in. Okay, I think you can see that better. Okay, so explain how shadows are formed. You should tell people light travels in straight line. The metal can is an opaque object and does not allow light to pass through. So a dark shadow is formed. Okay, that's how you should explain your answer. Do you understand this now?